We're back now with some tech tips in today's cyber safety segment, and we're talking about, again, Windows 10.
Yes, Windows 10 is back again as Microsoft seems to be forcing the Windows 10
Whether
upgrade.
you like it or not.
That's it. Here to tell us more is our friend from GoGeeks in East Longmeadow, Sam Prager. Thank you so much for being here, as always.
Thank you for having me.
Now, what's the problem here? The doom and gloom on the Friday.
We've talked about Windows 10 before, and it being an option for you, but Microsoft doesn't want it to be an option, apparently. Microsoft wants you to have it. They believe that you should have it, and they want you to have it so much that they recently turned it into an automatic update. So we had a number of clients wake up frantic, finding they had Windows 10 installed on their computer overnight. The problem with this, of course, is that some people don't want Windows 10.
Right.
The other problem with it is that sometimes people have software and that it will not run properly with Windows 10. You know, especially if they're running like accounting software or they're running certain kind of industry-specific software that may not be compatible. So that's an issue. If you're happy with Windows 10, you don't have a problem with it, and this happens to you, just know that you probably need to reinstall your printer and your antivirus program.
Okay.
So check that.
In fact, that's why I haven't upgraded to 10. A, I'm worried my computer couldn't handle it because it's an older one.
Yeah.
But B, you have to reinstall all that ancillary software, and I just don't want to go through the hassle. I like the operating system I have now.
Right. Well, so for a lot of people, if they have Windows 8, they should definitely go to Windows 10 because 8 is just really
a mess.
Buggy and it's slow. And 10 will correct a lot of those problems. For people with 7, who are very happy as it is, you know, I don't want a new car. I'm very happy with what I have, right? You know, you may not want it. The key thing to remember is that if you don't want it, we can revert you, as we've done with a dozen of our clients in the last week that have come to GoGeeks frantic over this. But don't try to revert it yourself. It is an option, and about 50% of the time in the home reverting process, the system can crash and you can lose all your data. So if you do want to revert, seek out a professional.
How are they allowed to just do this without asking you or without permission?
Well, they are Microsoft.
Bill Gates is the richest man in the world.
Enough said.
The key is, well, really, this is really wrong in many ways. I mean, you know, the goal may be to put everybody on the same operating system that can be compatible so that they can deliver the right updates and have things work smoothly. But it really is wrong to force it upon people. What you need to do is to go to your Windows updates. If you're using Windows, you don't have this issue.
Nope.
You're a Mac person.
Sorry.
You don't suffer like this. If you go to your Windows Update in Control Panel and turn off automatic updates and deselect the Windows 10 update so it doesn't automatically come in.
Stan Prager from
All right.
GoGeeks, thanks. Great advice. Now, when
Thank
we
you.
return, the story of the veteran who scaled Mount Everest, and we have the details of